Today, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status active when you're away from your computer. This is particularly useful when you need to step away briefly but want to remain visible as active to your colleagues. Let's walk through a simple workaround that will help you maintain that active status. First, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel in Teams. Here, you'll find several options for different features. Click on Calendar. This will take you to your calendar view where you can manage all your meetings and appointments. The calendar feature is key to this method because we're going to create a meeting that keeps your status active. Once you're in the calendar view, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new meeting creation window where you can set up all the details for your meeting. Now, here's where it gets simple. You'll need to name this meeting, but since this is just a dummy meeting to keep your status active, you can call it anything you want. It could be something like work session, focus time, or anything that makes sense to you. The name doesn't really matter since this is purely for maintaining your active status. After you've entered the name, click Save. Your meeting is now created and will appear on your calendar. The next step is to join that meeting you just created. Find the meeting in your calendar and click to join it. Once you're in the meeting, pay attention to what happens to your status. You'll notice that your status automatically changes to In Call. This is exactly what we want because it shows that you're actively engaged in Teams. However, if you prefer not to show as In Call and would rather appear simply as available, you can easily adjust this. Click on your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right area of Teams. From there, you'll see status options. Change your status to available. Now, you're in a meeting that keeps Teams active, but your status shows you as available for communication. And there you have it. By creating and joining a dummy meeting, you can effectively keep your Microsoft Teams status active even when you step away from your computer. This ensures your colleagues see you as present and available whenever you need that visibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.